Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today, we're diving into the latest financial results of Steel Dynamics, a leading player in the steel industry. We'll explore their third quarter 2024 performance, strategic initiatives, and what it all means for investors like you. Stay tuned for an in-depth analysis of Steel Dynamics' market position and future prospects. Curious to know more details on key takeaways and insights? Watch this video to find out. Executive Summary.
Steel Dynamics reported third quarter 2024 net sales of $4.3 billion and net income of $318 million, reflecting a decline from the previous quarter and the same period last year. The company achieved an adjusted EBITDA of $557 million and cash flow from operations of $760 million. Despite stable steel demand, earnings declined due to lower average realized steel pricing. The company maintained strong liquidity and continued its strategic investments and shareholder distributions.
Financial performance. What was the total revenue for the current quarter, and how does it compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The total revenue for the current quarter was $4.3 billion. This is a decrease compared to the previous quarter's revenue and the same period last year where net sales were higher.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP earnings per share (EPS), and how do they compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The GAAP earnings per share (EPS) for the third quarter of 2024 was $2 per diluted share. This is a decrease from the previous quarter's EPS of $2.72 and the same period last year's EPS of $3.47.
Segment performance. How did the major business segments perform in terms of revenue and growth compared to the previous periods?
The steel operations segment reported lower operating income due to a decline in realized selling values. The metals recycling operations also saw decreased operating income due to softer demand and an unexpected non-cash copper hedging loss. The steel fabrication operations achieved strong operating income, although slightly lower than the previous quarter, with steady demand and softened pricing.
Cash flow and financial health. What were the key points regarding cash flow from operating, investing, and financing activities?
The company achieved cash flow from operations of $760 million. It invested $621 million in growth initiatives and distributed $381 million to shareholders through dividends and share repurchases.
Strategic initiatives and partnerships. What were the major strategic initiatives, product launches, and partnerships announced in the current quarter?
Steel Dynamics continued to invest in its value-added flat-rolled steel coating lines and is progressing on its aluminum flat-rolled products mill construction, expected to begin operations mid-2025. These initiatives aim to enhance supply chain capabilities and diversify end markets.
Risk and challenges. What are the key risks and challenges highlighted in the report or discussed by the management?
The report highlights risks such as global steelmaking overcapacity, volatility in scrap metal prices, environmental regulations, and cybersecurity threats. Additionally, the cyclical nature of the steel industry and competition from other producers are noted as challenges.
Future outlook. What is the company's revenue and gross margin guidance for the next quarter or fiscal year?
The company expects steel pricing to recover with an anticipated lower domestic interest rate environment and support from U.S. infrastructure programs. It anticipates benefiting from reduced volumes of unfairly traded steel imports.
Overall performance and investment prospects. Based on the financial results and strategic updates, what is the assessment of the company's overall performance?
Steel Dynamics demonstrated resilience with strong cash flow and liquidity despite an earnings decline. The company is strategically positioned for future growth with ongoing investments in value-added products and diversification into aluminum products. The outlook for 2025 is positive, with expected recovery in steel pricing and demand.
That's all for today's analysis of Steel Dynamics' third quarter 2024 performance and strategic initiatives. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more in-depth financial insights. Let us know in the comments if you think Steel Dynamics is a strong investment opportunity. Boost your trading game with Interactive Brokers, a leading platform known for its advanced tools and low commissions. I've personally benefited from their fast execution and comprehensive market access. Click the referral link in the video description below to sign up and support this channel. Start trading smarter today with IBKR. Thanks for watching and happy investing.